Hello, I hope everyone is doing well. Please excuse my voice. I woke up this morning with a cold. I had thyme and ginger available, so I made myself a cough syrup. We will see how quickly I can recover. But anyway, let's take a look at the ingredients in this cough syrup. Others like me might be in need of it also. Throughout the centuries, herbalists have employed thyme and thyme preparations to relieve chest and respiratory disorders, coughs, colds, and bronchitis. Thyme has remarkable antiviral, bactericidal, fungicidal, antibiotic, expectorant, and antiseptic properties that make it wonderful to have around during cold and flu season. In addition to killing microbes, thyme helps the body to eliminate toxins and boost the immune system by supporting the formation of white blood cells, increasing resistance to invading organisms. Thyme also makes a fine tea for treating coughs and chest complaints and is used in many antifungal remedies. Like many herbs, it is also rich in antioxidants. Ginger is a natural antiviral which helps to fight against illness and bacteria that causes cold. It contains antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties, which help to boost up the immune system. It acts as an antihistamine and decongestant that helps to ease cold symptoms. Lastly, we have honey. Honey contains antioxidant, antibacterial, and antimicrobial properties that fight against the virus, bacteria, and fungus to treat the cold and its underlying symptoms. It helps to soothe a sore or scratchy throat naturally and relieves irritation. It boosts the immune system, which reduces the severity of cold and also prevents future colds and other viruses. Dosage: adults take 1 to 2 teaspoons every couple of hours until the cold or cough subsides, up to 3 to 5 tablespoons per day. Children take half a teaspoon every couple of hours, up to 3 to 5 teaspoons per day. If the cold should sneak up on you, you can give this effective cough syrup a try. Thank you for watching. Good day and good health.